Welcome to My Fixes LTD, the stress-free property solution for landlords. Managing a property can often feel overwhelming. From cleaning and repairs to handling emergencies, inspections, and tenant relations, it's easy for things to spiral. But worry not, because My Fixes LTD takes care of everything for you. Imagine a service where one simple monthly payment covers it all. With our comprehensive package, you'll enjoy secure key holding, regular cleaning, repairs and maintenance, thorough property inspections, tenant changeover cleaning, emergency call-outs, PAT testing to ensure electrical safety, and pest control visits to keep your property secure and compliant. Let's break it down further. Our secure key holding service ensures efficient access management. Our professional cleaning teams maintain all areas of your property in pristine condition. General repairs are included in your plan, ensuring your property is always well maintained. Our routine checks come with full reports, giving you peace of mind. We handle tenant changeovers with precision, ensuring the property is ready and welcoming for the next occupants. Our emergency call-out service means we're there when you need us most. Electrical safety is paramount, and our PAT testing ensures compliance and safety. Say goodbye to unwelcome visitors with our pest control service, keeping your property pest-free and protected. Our simple, affordable monthly plans start from just £79. With My Fixes LTD, you get hassle-free management with a fully insured team, trusted local experts, a rapid response to issues, and easy reporting at your fingertips. Ready to relax and let us handle it all? Visit our website at www.myfixes.co.uk or reach out via phone at 2019-3389. For any inquiries, you can also email us at info@myfixes.co.uk. My Fixes LTD is here to ensure your property management experience is as seamless as possible. Contact us today and experience the ultimate in stress-free property care. Thank you for choosing My Fixes LTD, your reliable partner in property management.